So the answer is you got to burn those Bibles.
Middleby-Marshall PS200. They're kind of old school style. And this one's gear motor's gone out up here. So here's the gear motor. If I turn this up here, nothing happens down here. That's what broke. This is the replacement. You can see it looks pretty different. This is a universal gear motor. They put it on every single oven. They send this box of supporting components to retrofit it to whatever you've got. See these notches in it? I wonder what that's all about. Now the sprocket's off of there. I gotta undo these wires. I gotta take out those 4 bolts and the thing falls out of here. Now we get to choose from our assortment of random bits and bobs the necessary stuff to make this replace this. For the PS200, you put these screws here on this plate and you install this plate this way. And that's how you make that work. They even supply you with Allen keys for the screws. Look, the sprocket's on backwards. So that's how you put one of those in there. That's how it looks when it's done. Just gotta, run these wires where they belong. Well, what happens if I turn it on? Check it out. It's going the wrong way. And it's going a bit too fast. So reversing it's as easy as swapping those wires. And if to go the right speed, you have to adjust the dip switches. Kind of seems like it's still going too fast. With it set for PS200 settings, 414 pulses per oven length, it goes too fast. Now they give you this smaller pulley to put on the motor to reduce the gear ratio. And then the chain will be too slack. It'll bind up. I don't have the means to shorten this chain. But I have this really long chain. Good enough for HVAC. Middleby-Marshall doesn't supply the necessary sprockets to make this one bigger, which you need to do. So for a 6.5 minute belt time, that's what I have to set it to. That's kind of garbagey, man. That's what I'm talking about. It's impossible to make the universal gear motor work properly with the available sprockets and chains that they can give you with the old school speed controller. Look at that prehistoric looking shit, man. This will never work with this new motor. You gotta take it out, put in a real speed control. You know, one that's not this garbage. And with the motor back where it goes, with the original sprockets and chain, I ripped this stupid old school speed controller out and put in a new one. That's better. The proper PPO setting for a PS200 oven with a stock gear ratio is 280